Hey guys, my name is Nana. I'm a community leader, speaker, and yeah, I just have fun. After coming last year, I thought it was an amazing space. I've met so many amazing individuals last year, so many people that I did projects with since last year. So that was a really good experience. I think it increased my networks. I think it gave me a good opportunity for rest and ultimately to reflect as well. And I really enjoyed coming last year. So I thought this year I'll definitely be here. And it's been such an amazing experience, like just coming back again to reflect, but also having the new people come as well and the new setup as well. So it's been another great experience coming to the Valuable Retreat. I think this year was a lot more topical. So the whole retreat has been focused on leadership, and that panel yesterday really spoke to the hardships of leadership. It went everything from doubt to success metrics to well-being as well. And I think those are conversations that I think all leaders need to listen to. One of the speakers said that I'm a human being, not a human doing. And I think often doing community projects and always like serving people is almost at the expense of yourself sometimes. So really after the well-being session today and yesterday's panel, like just doubling down on my personal well-being and how I am and how I'm doing, and really being open about that as well. So even the idea of temperature checks and check-ins with some of my teams as well, to make sure that they're human beings as well. We're not just doing something together, but we're being together and we're living together and we're doing life together almost, and everyone's in a good place to be able to do that. Builders need to be around builders. It gets quite lonely sometimes, so I think this space provides that for other leaders as well. I think being around other leaders and just like having time to reflect over the past year as well, I think that's extremely useful as well. Next year, just as a leader, I want to double down on, as I said, my personal well-being, but also like my character as well. Something that I've been speaking to other people about is like things like hard work and talent and good ideas. They often get you through the door, they'll get things started, but it's things like character, integrity that I think will keep you in the room. So next year for me personally, it's about like character development, integrity, just being one way about myself. So not like being a certain way in this space and being a certain way in another space, but like being the same Nana in all spaces. So that's what I'm looking forward to do next year. If you're looking for a convenient time to do it, you'll never come. It's always an inconvenience, I'll be real. But I think it's one of the best inconveniences you can ever have.